introduce myself. My name is Gede Aprilia Sena. You can call me Sena. NPM 23411169. Kelas MNJ 23C. Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi fungsi permintaan dan penawaran matematika bisnis. Business mathematics, supply and demand function. Understanding how demand and supply function work in business mathematics is the key to optimizing profit and maximizing efficiency. Next, request function. Number 1, definition. The demand function describes the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demands by consumers. Number 2, consideration. Income level, consumer preference, price of other goods, and other factors can influence the demand function. Number 3, elasticity of demand measures the sensitivity of demand to change in price or other factor that influence it. Next, offer function. Number 1, basic concept. The supply function describes the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity supplied by producer. Influencing factor. Production cost, technology, level of competition, and market condition can affect the supply function. Market equilibrium, the point at which demand and supply are equal, determines price and quantity in the market. Next, elasticity of demand. Number 1, price elasticity of demand. Measure how sensitive the quantity demand changes when the price changes. Number 2, cross elasticity of demand. Measure how sensitive the quantity demand is to change in the price of other goods. Income elasticity of demand. Measure how sensitive the quantity demand changes when consumer income changes. Next, elasticity of supply. Number 1, price elasticity of supply. Measure how sensitive the quality supply changes when the price changes. Elasticity of technology supply. Measure how sensitive the quantity supply is to change in production technology. Number 3, price fluctuation of raw material. Measure how sensitive the quantity Supply is to change in raw material price. Next, market equilibrium. Number 1. Definition. The point at which demand and supply are equal determines price and quantity in the market. Number 2. Impact of change. If demand or supply change, the balance point will shift. Number 3. Prediction and analysis. Understanding market balance helps in forecasting trends and taking appropriate business decisions. Next, application in business. Number 1, pricing. Understanding demand and supply help in determining product price that are effective and competitive in the market. Number 2, supply management make informed decisions about inventory and supply chains based on demand and supply. Number 3, market research. Use supply and demand analysis to understand relevant market and consumer trend. Sekian video pembelajaran tentang materi fungsi permintaan dan penawaran matematika bisnis dari saya ucapkan terima kasih.
Hari ini gue mau bersyukur, karena walaupun kita belum punya banyak pencapaian atau belum banyak hal yang bisa kita banggakan, kita sudah memberikan hal yang terbaik yang bisa kita lakukan, dan kita sudah memberikan yang terbaik yang kita mampu, dan itu aja udah cukup.